So I don't really have anything right now, but let's just say if you do want to kind of fill stuff up, let's go to Type, Insert Special Character, and under here, Fill with Placeholder Text. Watch this. So this is just filling it with placeholder text here. All right. And I think, honestly, that maybe this choice of having everything justified is a little bit too much. So this is where it's really nice. If I just go into here, I don't have to select anything. Everything that's tagged with info, all I need to do is indents and spacing. Instead of left justify, let's just do left. See how that looks? That looks a lot better. And you can see we've got a little bit of hyphenation. Maybe I don't want to have that. So we can always go in and change stuff like that as well. We want to balance our lines there. And okay. That actually is a little bit too much. Let's unbalance that. So there's a lot of stuff when we get into typography that you guys can control. We won't go into all of that there, but there are certain things, like if that balanced thing, which kind of works there, is too much, we can always go back to indents and spacing, balance to make that work a little bit better. And then under hyphenation, words with at least, and let's just make this a little bit more like 8. There, that works better. Okay. There we go. And then what we're going to do here is we'll add in, just to fill up some space, a little icon here for our, to give it just a little bit of graphic, maybe like an office chair. And then we'll put that little bit of additional like copyright text like we have right down here as well. We'll do that in the next section.